welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be super quick because it's like a mini unenveloping. We do a lot of unenveloping over here, okay? We just don't do unboxes. We do unenveloping too. We don't discriminate against the envelopes, okay? But anyways, I went to ToniDaley.com and well, first and foremost, shouts out to It's Lori's Life because I won a $20 gift card about a half a year ago. On when she was doing a live, and I finally used it. I want to say it was this month, yeah, because it came this weekend. It came Saturday, I think, or it came Friday. But I ordered butterfly wings in gold. I think they are so cute. So I'm assuming like one wing, yeah, they go like this to make the butterfly wings. That is so cute. But they're wooden. And if you don't know who Toni Daley is, I will put a link of her channel and her shop, her website below in the description box. But she hand makes these. She's black owned. It's a black owned business, black owned, woman owned business. And definitely, if you don't know who she is, or you definitely can go over there, get to know her, shop, and yeah, she has really great things. Lots and lots of earrings. I also got these. They've been out of stock. Well, every time they get in stock, and when I go to get them, they're out of stock. So I finally was able to snag these two. But these are keys, and I thought that these were cute as well. I love her handmade earrings. They are so cute. I know y'all see me wear the melodies a lot, and I will put a picture like maybe here. But the melodies are the music notes. Each ear has a different note. Those are made by Toni Daley as well. And also the huge hoops that I wear. If I have a picture, I will put that here as well. But she made those too. And it's a couple of other earrings. I'll just pop them all here. But then she also gives you a free pair with your order. So I got these for free. I don't know if she hand makes the free pair or not, but I would assume not, because, you know, she puts a lot of time and detail into making these. So I would assume these are not handmade. But if I'm wrong, y'all correct me below. I'm just not sure. But I like these. They're like fall, and I like red. I like yellow too. I'm not a big fan of orange, but they're red, kind of, and that red and yellow blends together really good. So I'm definitely gonna wear those. I like them. Every pair of free earrings that she sends with my packages, I always love it. And the pictures that I post, if they were free, I will put free pair. But they are cute. And they're always like of quality. They're not like the little cheap rinky-dink free pair of earrings, like little pearls or something. Like, they're always of substance. And I like it. So I just wanted to come on here and show my little mini unenveloping. Y'all will be seeing me in these a lot because I like them. So go check out ToniDaley.com. Also go check out It's Lori's Life because she's the bomb.com. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for tuning into this one. Bye.